This is Peter with Zila Industrial Repairs, and next to me is
Mr. Bob Moffett.
RamNation58 on Instagram.
Yep.
And today we're here at Cali College, and we're looking at some machines that I actually dropped off in December, right?
December, yeah. He came up and we worked on that stick pulse, which was fascinating. We left this one behind. I got busy. I haven't had time to put it together,
So today we're putting it together, and behind us, you may or may not see this aluminum frame. There's going to be another video on this, so we're trying to dial everything in, get everything ready. March 27, 28, and 29, there's going to be a MIG class from beginner MIG to cord wires to pulse MIG to then an advanced class in double pulse aluminum MIG at my shop, and I'm honored Bob will be my co-host, and also Darling Farms will be there. So if you're interested in that class, go to the HEP website, link is in the description, and we will see you there.
I got a lot to learn first. It's gonna be fun.
Well, I better get you up to speed fast.
Yeah, it'll be fun.